also like to raise the issues of the Meghalaya Emri Workers Union. So the members of this union has submitted a memorandum to the Honorable Chief Minister on the 11th of March 2021 with a proposal for the government to take over the Emergency Medical Ambulance 108 under the government sector. So the union appeals to the government not to extend the term of agreement with GBK company when it expires on the 31st of March 2021. Sir, I understand the Meghalaya Emri workers are time again undergoing a lot of stress and strains due to the mismanagement of the GBK company, resulting in less manpower, less ambulances, depriving of their allowances and basic entitlements. I urge upon the government to immediately address the issues relating to the Emri workers without further delay.
Sir, regarding the Emri workers mentioned by the honorable member from Mausaram, see the Emri workers which is operating for that is not under with the government directly, sir. It is with the agency. We have been talking to them, and many times we had several meetings, but we could not come to the conclusion. But definitely, the government is not sitting idle. We are going to examine the matter and we should see ensure that the problem that are facing by the Emri workers will be looked into it, sir. And also, sir,